Na akto, di ko marinang po. Pero kaya nawa akong lumampo. Nasasagin ko, kung di namutang na makakaulang akong ito. Kapag waray, ito'y bakong di ang mga gumigaman ka pa ng hindi na ikaw pa nagpapalipay kayo.
Syudad Hanggan Balogan!
Ubay natin kita.
She is wearing a beautiful eco-terno inspired by the provincial capitol building. A masterpiece crafted by the candidate herself. This stunning gown, made from recycled plastic bags, is a powerful homage to high fashion, heritage, and sustainability. Its pristine white hue symbolizes purity and peace, flowing into a majestic long back trail that radiates grace, resilience, and Filipino beauty. The cardboard headpiece, sculpted in the image of the capital, represents enlightenment and a bright future for Catbalogan City. Softly woven into the garment are ribbons bearing powerful protest messages against trans femicide, transforming the gown into a living canvas of cultural identity and environmental advocacy. That's candidate number 1, Queen CJ Babon.